قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى.
Course description: an exposition of the methods by which the rules of fiqh are deduced, covering the sources for Islamic law, rules of interpretation, commands and prohibitions, consensus of opinion, and abrogation. Learning objectives: after careful analysis, students will be able to clearly write and state the fundamental principles and methodologies through which practical legal rulings are derived from the Quran and Sunnah as foundational sources. Students will be able to write short essays on different rules of scholarly interpretation regarding the method of deducing laws and al-dadalat, textual implications. Students will be able to write short essays explaining the methodology and rulings of commands, prohibitions, nakhs, abrogations, and ijma, consensus opinion. Students will be able to write down the rules and criteria governing the language patterns of the Quran and Sunnah. Students will be able to outline the appropriate means by which we can derive rulings from the Quran and Sunnah, rulings that guide human action by determining if an act is prohibited, haram, disliked, makruh, obligatory, wajib, recommended, mandub, mustahab, permissible, mubah. Students will be able to deliver a presentation on the research framework and methodology needed for understanding the language of the Quran and Sunnah and how to use the various types of evidences serve as a guide to our Islamic practices and belief. Grading and evaluation: minimum passing grade 70%, weekly assignments 30%, 10 assignments 3% each, attendance 10%, midterm exam 10%, final exam 10%, oral exam 20%, research paper 20%.